So the Atom text editor project is officially dead. It was killed on December the 15th. Now, a lot of people are sad to see Atom go. I know I'm sad to see Atom go because I was an Atom text user for many, many years, and a lot of people still used Atom. So why was Atom officially killed off? Now, if you go to the GitHub page, they will tell you that Atom was killed off due to lack of interest and lack of development. But if you really look at what happened with Atom, we all know why it was killed off. Atom was originally developed by GitHub, and GitHub was sold to Microsoft. And when GitHub was sold to Microsoft, Microsoft became the maintainers of the Atom project. And when they acquired GitHub, they virtually stopped all development on Atom in favor of VS Code, which is a proprietary text editor for programming. So in other words, they were just in maintenance mode for Atom, maintaining the security for a few years, and now they have officially just killed it because they don't want to maintain Atom anymore because they maintain VS Code. So this makes you wonder, does Microsoft really care about the open source community? We all know that Microsoft has open sourced several things, such as VS Code open source, PowerShell, and other things as well. But does that mean that they have completely embraced open source? Well, no, they have not completely embraced open source. So what they have done with the Atom project is proof of Microsoft's intentions. Microsoft is strictly a proprietary company that just uses open source to better their proprietary agenda. And we all know this because Microsoft has all this proprietary software. Windows is still a proprietary operating system. Microsoft Office is proprietary. And Microsoft has stated no intention of open sourcing these applications at all. Even VS Code, which is partially open source, they don't open source all of it. So really, Microsoft does not give a rat's ass about the open source community, open source operating systems, or even open source applications. They just use open source to improve upon their proprietary programs, which it all boils down to exploitation of the open source community for their own gain, because they're virtually getting free labor, free code audits, etc., that they don't have to pay other people to do. So just think about that before you download or purchase any Microsoft projects, because really, Microsoft does not give a rat's ass about you. And have a good day, and I will see you in the next video.